Satan. Ahoy! It's Kane here with Day Trip Wilderness Survival. And right now, I am in a wait-and-see situation. I've been in BC for on and off the past 2 months, back and forth home, doing week-long stints. So what's happening now is my road home is closed for what's called avalanche control, which means they're triggering avalanches and then bulldozing the roads off to make sure that it's passable and people aren't going to get buried alive or like knocked off the mountain. So yeah, I'm waiting here in traffic. Lots of fun. But let me tell you, is it ever gorgeous? If only it wasn't March, almost. Oh, man. Somewhere out in those woods, or maybe down the other direction, or something maybe out there somewhere, is Sasquatch.